Action Space News reporting live. We're sending humans to space again. Crew 2, Thursday at 6:11 a.m. Be there. I gotta get to this drum circle. Yeah, ready? Action Space News. We're waking up. This rocket's about to go off in 30 seconds. We gotta get out of here. Don't run towards the gator. Run away from the gator. We found a Navajo missile here. It's about to go off, or it could be a replica. We gotta get out of the space base.
So I'll take you to the tip of the...
Very dangerous what we're doing. We've actually secured special passes to get on base today. I've seen a lot of rockets in my day, but this one just takes the cake. I'm looking to get $280,000 for it here. I taught flat earth for 3 years in Colorado, and you know what? I think I'm going to focus on space from now on, and that's what makes me passionate about Action Space News. All right, we've got about 2 minutes, T-minus launch here. The humans are in the capsule here on Action Space News. All right, we found a safe spot to set up and watch today's launch here on Action Space News. I'm not foreseeing any problems standing right here while we watch the Crew 2 launch, which is about to go up pretty much any minute if we knew what minute it was going up. Gator! Gator! There it is, guys. Set it up, set it up. Yeah, these are great at night. It'll make a snow angel. That's like the sky falling asleep. We've got the boosters coming in here. What's happening here is that they're coming in back through the atmosphere, and we're frozen from space. Oh, there it is. No, it's because of the exact time we're at. It's the sky is like freezing on the way up. And becoming daylight. No, it lights itself on fire. It's going to land in the exact spot. Otherwise, it dumps in the ocean. There's 2 boosters that fall. They're just separate. stay tuned. We've got credentials now. I made a copy of the pass. We're gonna be sneaking here all the time. Of the launch, they're in space. There was an Asian dude, a lady, a white dude, and a French dude. They were all great, but I left my backpack, so I don't have any Wikipedia information today to break this down. Last thing I want to tell you here is from the Action News Space Deck from DC to Japan to the Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan and all the way back to Cape Canaveral, Florida. This is Action Space News. Thanks for watching.
Wait, alligator, move.
Alligator.
Alligator.
Last person here, first person here on Action Space News. In Tampa Bay, Florida here, there does not appear to be any launches at this time. You're watching Action Space News. All right, we're going towards the danger. The bridge is coming down on Action Space News. Yeah, I'll be there. Which way's the launch, man? I don't have a lot of time. Damn, you're in Orange. Should I just take a seat over there? It's a little park, you know, just hang out and talk around the space shuttle. It's not a bad chat place. I'll see you. Next launch.